L7-8 video number 2. Do you guys see where this is coming from? Okay. Okay, let's take a look at this next one. What they did was they followed the rule. And I don't think you guys know the rule yet. That's what I'm trying to develop in you guys is, what's the shortcut to get from this to the answer? I want you, it's easy enough to use FOIL. You can use FOIL on this. You don't have to use the pattern on it. Let's go ahead and do this one. On B, aren't they asking you to take 4s plus the 3t and multiply it by itself?
Yep.
4s plus 3t. Using FOIL, what happens when you multiply your front two terms together? 16s to the second. What happens when you multiply your outside two terms?
12st.
Inside two terms?
12st. 12ts.
St. Alphabetical order. What happens when you multiply your last two terms together?
9t squared.
Combining like terms in the center?
24st plus 9t squared.
That's right. Okay, I want you to notice something here. What happens when you square this term?
You get 16s squared.
Yeah, what happens when you square this term?
You get 9s squared, t squared.
Yeah. How do you come up with this out of all of this over here? Multiply this by this and double it. Yeah? That's what they were doing right here. They took this and multiplied by this and doubled it. Okay? Let's multiply this one out.
Are most of them going to be squared?
Yeah. Multiplying your front two terms using FOIL, what do you get?
5,
Multiplying your outer two terms, you get what?
5m squared,
Multiplying your inner two terms.
5m squared,
Multiplying your last two terms. M to the fourth. Do you guys notice all of these that we've done that have been perfect squares? Your inner outers give you the exact same term. That's why you can double it. 25 plus 10m squared plus m to the fourth. Isn't this guy right here 5 squared? And isn't this guy right here m to the second being squared? And isn't this guy in the center 2 times that, whoops, that was supposed to be red. 2 times this guy here multiplied by this guy here. That's the pattern I wanted you to notice. We call it a perfect square trinomial. You can use the FOIL method to find products in the form of a minus b squared. Write it out the long way. When you multiply your front two terms together, you get a squared. When you do the outers, you get a negative ab. When you do your inners, you get negative ab. Negative ab plus negative ab gives you 2 negative ab's. Plus your last two terms gives you a positive b squared. A trinomial in the form of a squared minus, I think there's supposed to be a 2 in here. I think they left something out. Minus 2ab plus b squared is also a perfect square trinomial because it is the result of squaring the binomial a minus b.